Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered about the keto diet and how it can change lives, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into some incredible keto diet success stories that will truly shock you. Get ready to be inspired. First off, let's quickly recap what the keto diet is all about. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. This means your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It's not just about weight loss, people are experiencing transformations in their health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Let's jump into our first success story. Meet Sarah. When Sarah started the keto diet, she was struggling with her weight and energy levels. In just 6 months, she lost an astonishing 60 pounds. But the results didn't stop there. Sarah also reported that her migraines, which plagued her for years, disappeared. Talk about life-changing. I never believed I could feel so good. The keto diet gave me a new lease on life. I have more energy, I sleep better, and I can finally play with my kids without getting tired. Wow, isn't that amazing? Just one story out of so many. Now, let's talk about John, a man in his 50s who was facing serious health issues. He had high blood pressure and was pre-diabetic. After committing to the keto lifestyle for a year, he not only lost 80 pounds but also reversed his pre-diabetes and lowered his blood pressure to healthy levels. Incredible, right? The keto diet transformed my life. I went from being tired and unhealthy to being active and full of life. I can't remember the last time I felt this good. Success stories like Sarah's and John's are popping up everywhere. It's not just about the weight loss, it's about reclaiming your health. People are experiencing improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and even better cholesterol levels. I lost 50 pounds in just 4 months. I've never felt more energized. Keto helped me manage my anxiety like never before. Feeling inspired? Here are a few tips to kickstart your own keto journey. Plan your meals, focus on high-quality fats, moderate protein, and low-carb vegetables. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water to help with the transition into ketosis. Listen to your body, everyone's journey is different, so find what works best for you. Remember, the goal of the keto diet isn't just weight loss, it's about improving your health and quality of life. Whether you want to lose a few pounds or make a significant change, the keto diet might just be the key. If you enjoyed these incredible success stories and want to hear more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your own keto journey in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.